If you're using 11 Labs to generate or clone voices, getting the voice settings right is crucial, especially when you want a voice that's both clear and stable. 11 Labs allows you to adjust parameters like stability, similarity, and style exaggeration, each affecting how the generated voice sounds. Stability controls how consistent the voice is across generations, with higher stability producing a smoother, more reliable voice, while lower stability introduces more variation and expressiveness. Similarity determines how closely the AI mimics your reference voice, and style exaggeration adds personality or flair, though pushing it too far can reduce consistency. According to 11 Labs official documentation and user guides, a good starting point for clarity and stability is stability around 50%, similarity around 75 to 80%, and style exaggeration at 0%. This combination creates a voice that is natural, clear, and reliable without sounding monotone or introducing artifacts from the reference audio. If your source voice has background noise or low quality, it's recommended to use moderate similarity settings to avoid replicating unwanted artifacts. For a more emotional or lively tone, you can lower stability slightly, usually between 35 to 55%, which allows the voice to express variation naturally. On the other hand, for formal narration or long passages, higher stability, up to 70 to 80%, keeps the voice consistent and smooth. Style exaggeration is typically best kept at 0% for most applications, though small adjustments can be made if you need extra expressiveness. In the newer 11v3 model, the stability options also include presets like Creative, which gives more emotional range but may introduce minor inconsistencies, Natural, which balances clarity and expressiveness, and Robust, which maximizes stability at the expense of some expressiveness. Users have also noted that adding punctuation, capitalization, and breaking long text into smaller chunks helps control pacing and maintain audio quality. Generating multiple samples and testing different voices is recommended, since each voice may respond differently to the same settings. Sources for these recommendations include 11 Labs official documentation, guides from Achio.com and Kulana Media, and user discussions on Reddit. Following these best practices will help you achieve clear, stable, and professional-sounding AI voices for narration, content creation, or voice cloning projects. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and comment below with which 11 Labs voice settings you prefer for clarity and stability.